Yeah, you can see how happy my customer is looking. She's just smiling to the video because she saw the outcome is very nice. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Serafina. Please do subscribe and share. Okay, welcome to my channel. Now, I said let me show a video of this flower cornrow style that I've been getting so many comments and show us a video, do a video for us, and so I said let me use the opportunity and share this video. And you can see the customer how relaxed she is. At some point, she even does off. I hope you don't show her the video. Oh my god, this is so interesting, so beautiful. I swear, so beautiful. Yeah, baby. Okay, you can see the rigorousness. The style. But came out so unique, so beautiful. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Now you can see. This is the other side of the braiding. Yeah, though this my customer have front hair as so you see what I did there in order to still make it look lovely. Okay. So at a point she was like, wow. Oh, so like I can pick the front hair this way and I don't know, her hair cut tremendously. The last hair she braided, as according to her, she said, I don't know what, but the hair cut her hair like, yeah, her hair to an extent was falling off. But she has to come. She says, as she was directed to my place, and she trusts in my judgment. And as you can see, isn't it beautiful? Like, I don't know, but just drop your comments on the comment section and I'll give you a reply. Yes. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost done. Yeah. Finally, the hair is here. The girl is here. Wow. Whoa. Beautiful. Simple. Beautiful. You see how impressed she was. So happy. Though she was sleeping. She's quite tired though. We didn't take much of our time. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. It's still your baby girl, Serafina's vlog. Bye.